Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up OneDrive approvals with Microsoft Planner tasks, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up OneDrive approvals with Microsoft Planner tasks, start by accessing your Microsoft Planner. Log into your Microsoft account to view your Planner dashboard. Create a new plan or select an existing plan where you want to set up approvals. Next, add a task by clicking on Add Task. Enter a title for your task and set a due date if desired. Once the task is created, click on it to open the task details. In the Task Details pane, look for the option to add a checklist. Create a checklist item titled Approval Needed. Now, click on the Add an Attachment option within the task. Select OneDrive, then browse to choose the document that requires approval. Once attached, you can notify your team members about the task. Assign the task to the team member responsible for obtaining approval. Make sure to set a due date that aligns with the project timeline. After everything is filled out, click Save to update the task. Next, go to OneDrive and locate the attached document. Right-click on the document, then select Share. In the sharing options, enter the email address of the person who needs. Set the permission level to Can View to allow for approval without editing. When ready, click Send to share the document for approval. Back in Microsoft Planner, monitor the task's progress regularly. Once the approver reviews the document, they will need to provide feedback. Based on their feedback, you can update the task status as needed. If approval is granted, mark the checklist item as complete in your Planner task. Repeat this process for any other documents requiring approval. That concludes the setup of OneDrive approvals with Microsoft Planner tasks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.